Don't you hate it when you're just driving to work and a random ninja just jumps on your car?
I know, man.
Okay, slow down.
What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday. I'm working from home today because my little guy Benjamin got pink eye yesterday at school. Hey, say hi. It was in this eye, and it's a lot better today, but now I think it might be in this eye. So, anyways, we're just hanging out at home today, so I have to work from home, watching this little guy, and yeah, dad life. Good thing about working from home is I can watch Sports Center. Or, no, I can watch ESPN while I work.
Nobody's hurt, but there will still be pain. It comes when your insurance company says that.
Go. He's doing good. He usually gets scared. Finally got Benjamin to go to sleep, so I have a little bit of time. But I wanted to spend the rest of this vlog sharing with you guys something really cool that I got to be a part of. If you remember, I told you a few videos ago that I got to work on some really awesome projects at Christmas time, and one of them is the one that I want to share with you right now. So what we did is basically we asked everybody at our church to give $1 in the month of November. We raised up all that money and we decided to bless tons of single moms around the church, which is, you know, really awesome to do, especially during the holidays when people are like struggling to buy gifts and make Christmas happen for their kids. But there's one really cool story in particular that I want to share with you guys. It was this mom named Nicole, and she was driving this like really old Toyota Corolla. I think it was like a 92. We thought it was an 88, but it was a 92. She had a really old car, and so what we did was we decided to prank her, and we went to her job. She works at a hospital. We went to her job, we towed her car with help of the sheriff's office in our town, and then once her car was gone, we pulled up in a new car for her, and we had, you know, we had Christmas presents in the trunk for her kids, and you guys will see. So what I'm going to show you guys right now is just my footage. I got to be a part of this video shoot, so everything I'm going to show you right now is from my camera and what I was able to shoot. Check this out. We're going up to level 3.
Oh, is that it? That's so it.
This has got to be your car.
That's gotta be it. They said 88 Corolla. Oh wow, look at it.
Say hi. What's up, people?
There you go.
What's the game plan?
Yeah, you're our BTS camera.
Yes, sir.
So we have camera positions, everything. Addison, you've got your, you've got the, just remind people in a really cool way that you are here for that. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of Frank.
Okay, we'll get this on up.
Now we're recording. And I think this is really tight in on my face. So, we're getting in position, getting ready to bless Nicole with a car. She has no clue what's going on. We're out here like Mission Impossible. There's people with microphones and
We're in mission.
you hear, we're in mission control. You have Addison in the background, he's talking to himself. I don't even know what all of this is.
She's gonna talk if you can get a test. Alright, Mo would like all camera operators to start rolling.
Are we rolling on all the GoPros yet?
Quick, there's a lot of people showing up out here with badges and whatnots. We might get shut down if we don't hurry up.
Alright, we have the car on the tow truck ready to go. This is very exciting. We have cameramen hidden all over the place. Cameras posted up in different places. Hospital staff are already coming out, like freaking out because one of their employees' car is getting towed. So we need to hurry up because Nicole's probably gonna be out here any minute now.
The new car is rolling. Alright, so
GoPro's ready to
I'm
go.
going off Tom for a couple seconds here. I'm giving Pastor David my comm in the car. They're in the car ready to go. We're almost ready to make the phone call.
I can hear it without touching it, right?
Yep.
I'm here, sir.
Oh, we're getting close, getting close.
There you go. That's
Like
yours.
bam.
Camera 1 in speed.
Alright, everybody start rolling. Everybody needs to get in position.
She's gonna be down in 5. She's gonna be down in 5. They're letting her know now.
What? Here she comes, here she comes, here she comes. Everybody stand by. Addison, I need to be able to hear. I'll tell you if there's an issue.
Okay, she's in front of our car right now.
Go ahead and tow the truck. Truck go. She's crying. She's crying, Pastor David.
Go ahead and settle this.
They're walking. They're okay. Everything's okay. They're walking towards the police car. Go, Pastor David. Go, Pastor David. Go, 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 Pastor David. He's around. Go. I'm right. I follow you. He's around. He's around. He's around.
Nice ride, Nicole.
If you want your old car back, we still have it. You ready for something else?
No, this is more than too bad. Too bad.
Too
This is
bad.
more than enough.
And we know Christmas is coming for the kids.
Yeah, try to be as sneaky as possible.
Yeah, so we tried to keep it on the low. So for Brian, he just did clothes and stuff, so we got him a couple bombers.
Oh yeah, the nail art studio. Yes, so up her alley. Oh god. Merry Christmas! Thank you
And
guys!
there's your, you still want that old nasty car.
Hey, that car's need to work and everything else.
You can, you can get.
We love you, girl. We love you. Sorry, sorry.
Sorry you freaked out. Who was you freaked out?
Was that awesome or what? Yes, it was an amazing experience. I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of that. So that was my footage that you saw. So if you want to see the complete final video all together, put together with everyone's shots, click right here. I highly suggest you do it. It's a great video. You will not regret it. And then if you want to subscribe to this channel and watch more cool videos, click right here on my face. You are one good looking dude. Okay, bye.